From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to a new week, the first full week of 2023. It's going to start off warm and muggy here over the next couple of days. Main issue in the short term is going to be dense fog. It's already kind of settling in across the area late this evening. That's the way it's going to go for the better part of tonight and at least through early tomorrow morning. So just kind of keep that in mind. Make sure you're giving yourself some extra time on the roadways if you do have to be out there. And again, that's going to highlight our first graphic here. Again, that dense fog advisory in effect for all of Acadiana. Again, that's going to run until 10 o'clock in the morning, so that is when we're continuing to expect widespread reduced visibilities across the region. Otherwise, pretty quiet on the satellite and radar composite. Again, we have those southerly winds coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. That's bringing in that Gulf moisture, thus the damp and muggy conditions out there. And back out to the west, we have our next storm system taking shape, and that's going to continue to progress eastward here over the next couple of days, and eventually will give us some decent rain chances. For most of us, it's going to be heading into Tuesday. So let's time it out with the graph model. Again, mild and muggy out there tonight. Temperatures pretty much hovering in the upper 60s, so that's where we're going to start the day tomorrow. Mostly cloudy for our Monday. Temperatures, again, we'll call it mild to warm into the afternoon. We hit 75 in Lafayette today. I think we'll be pretty close to that once again tomorrow. Maybe some intervals of sunshine into the afternoon, but that's not a guarantee. Now, rain chances here in Acadiana tomorrow, pretty isolated in nature. Bulk of the shower and storm activity is going to be setting up more so across eastern Texas, western Louisiana. Again, this is where we're going to see the highest rain chances. And with enough instability, get some heating of the day out there. Some of these storms could be on the strong to perhaps severe side. Pretty quiet tomorrow night outside of maybe a couple isolated showers. Temperatures stay mild and muggy, upper 60s. And then notice a better coverage of those showers, even some thunderstorms throughout the day on Tuesday. It's going to be more of a broken line of showers and storms, so not necessarily widespread. Certainly won't be raining all day long, but nonetheless, going to need the rain gear there on Tuesday. Bulk of the shower activity is going to start to come to an end Tuesday evening, and then we are turning cooler. We're going to get in the mid to upper 70s by Tuesday afternoon, and then we'll be in the upper 40s to lower 50s come Wednesday morning. And then we are looking at a pretty nice stretch of weather for the rest of the week and heading into the upcoming weekend. Now, again, there is going to be that severe weather potential with this storm system that's coming in over the next couple of days. Tomorrow, there's an enhanced risk for severe storms in place across the Arklatex. A slight risk, level 2, extends as far south of as extreme northwestern portions of Acadiana. But again, I think the better chance of those showers and storms tomorrow, a little bit farther off to our west. And then that overall threat's going to start to shift eastward as we head into Tuesday, with all of Acadiana already under a marginal risk for severe storms. And again, primary threats could see a couple isolated storms capable of producing some damaging wind gusts, perhaps an isolated tornado warning as well. So something we'll keep an eye on over the next couple of days. But again, the overall severe weather, not necessarily widespread, more isolated in nature. Now, tomorrow definitely will be breezy. Those southerly winds coming in sustained at around 15 to 20 miles per hour, gust at times exceeding 30. And again, in the short term, our main issue is going to be that fog. Again, widespread reduced visibility is continuing at least through early tomorrow morning. So 67, that projected low out there tonight. And outside of the fog, we're going to kind of be seeing those misty sprinkles as well. 76, your projected high for tomorrow after a foggy start. We'll call it mostly cloudy, warm and muggy into the afternoon. Few isolated showers and storms, mainly for western portions of Acadiana. Better coverage of those showers and storms on Tuesday, with your rain chances sitting at around 70%. Low end threat for severe weather as well. We'll get up to near 78 on Tuesday, and then some much nicer weather returning for the middle and latter parts of the week. Cooler as well, with high temperatures in the 60s, overnight lows returning to the 30s and 40s eventually.
Awesome. Sounds good, Bradley. Thank you so much for